Hi, Adam from ClearBlast. We're here with the 650. We're going to go over how to reload the pot after you've expelled all the abrasive. You will first know that when you are blasting, you're basically shooting out a fire hose of water and not doing much cutting. It's time to fill her up. So, first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn off your slurry ball valve. Next thing you can go ahead and open up the dump valve. This will bring your water level down, allowing more space to fill up with abrasive. Now, if you're only putting in one bag, you can go ahead, open that, get your bag in there, and immediately close this. That way you're not taking out more water than you need to. If you're completely free-filling the machine, you will open this up. You will put in 4 bags of material. This will basically allow the water to continue to overflow as you're putting abrasive in. And then, once you get that 4th bag in here, you can go ahead and close that and put in the rest of your material. Another nice hint is, or pro tip I should say, is to go ahead and turn off your abrasive dose while you're doing that. Otherwise it could be working against you, filling up slowly as you're trying to empty. Once you have all your material in, you can go ahead then, just like we did with the startup, rinse in all your material with our wash hose up top. Once you have that all filled up, go back to pressurize on your dial. The pot will again fill, float on its own, vent all the air out, and come up to your 140 psi of pressure. We'll go back to blast mode. We'll go back to our abrasive and or water dosing settings. You'll open up your slurry ball valve and pull the trigger and you're off and running. Now do remember, if you use your e-stop, you have to go ahead and pop that back up. Otherwise you are refilled and set to move on to your job. So that is the operational refill of the ClearBlast 650.